In this video, I'm going to show you how to use emojis on Windows 10. This is a useful feature if you're messaging somebody on Facebook, Twitter, or even sending an email in Gmail. So I'll first show you how to get the emojis. You do not have to download anything. All you have to do is press your Windows key and period at the same time, and it's going to bring up this emoji panel right here. And from here you can select a wide range of emojis. They have quite a few of them. One thing that you should note is that depending on where you're sending the emojis or what you're using to send the emojis, in example Facebook, Gmail, Twitter, anything like that, some of the emojis may not transfer over, as you can see here, or they may look a little bit different than what they look like on the emoji panel. And I'll show you what I mean right now through the notepad. So as you can see, I'm going to open up the emoji panel by pressing the Windows key and period, and I'm going to start entering some emojis into this notepad. And as you can see, the emojis look a little bit different than they do on the actual panel. So like I said, it really just depends on what you're sending the emojis through or using to type out the emojis. But for the most part, that's how you send emojis and use emojis on Windows 10. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.